Once you get the Trinity, the 3 basic flows, then what you do is you see all the number flows and the order and the sequence of which they move after you take the second part, because you have the flow and then you have the pattern as well. And you see the order of the numbers and how they go through the depths. Sounds like a lot of mush, but it happens. It happens. So also, now you go to her 15, where Bill is, right here. Okay. So you go right to the pube, come off of it, and it's right below that bone and right where she's, it's interesting, she goes in here, and then she goes out here. So it's showing where it's imbalance, out of balance here. So right here is where her 15 is, yeah. Horizontal in there, yeah.
What was the in and out? I can see from over there.
Well, it goes in here and then it goes out here. So it's showing the imbalance there. And then we see that at this, not at the 15 level, but lower than that at this thigh here, it shows it going out. So this is a reflection of right through the energy moving right through the middle of her, right here through the 14s. And also when you see there's more tissue or weight here, what this is showing is congestion here in her high ones. So this is like way high ones, and this is low 15s, or 15s can even go up. See, what happens is each of the numbers are in an order in a different place, but what happens is they get to be good friends and they start to merge to each other, and then there is no space for them to move. It's like there's no door for them to flow through. It's like it gets blocked up, like dirt will fall in a canal and block it, so to speak. So this shows the cycles of her 9s right here. So she could use 9, 14, and 23.